Welcome to Subha Ki Motivation with Subha Lakshmi Das herself. In this series, we will give you the motivation to achieve all your dreams with the life experiences of the woman who did it herself. For today's topic, we have it's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. I know for a fact that there were experiences in your life where you got knocked down and you got up, right? In the previous episode, we discussed that you were knocked down when you got comatose. You got knocked down, after the coma also. When you have gained so much weight because of all the steroids that went in the body, right? So we know for a fact that you know how to get up, and I want you to share your life experiences with everyone in the audience.
They always say that behind any inspiring picture, there is always an untold story. There is always an unseen battle. There is always a consistent effort. There is always constant pain where you battle throughout.
Right.
So again, I'm reiterating this word called pain because I came from a very, very, very backward state, which is still under development, from Orissa.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. A lot of people say that you don't look like an Oriya, but then, because me being an Oriya, I have my, I had many places where they considered, Oriyas, they don't know anything. They may it be corporate, may it be, wherever you go, that pride of being Oriya is what I really, contrasted, proving the world that when people put you down, challenge yourself to accept the fact with pride what you are.
Okay.
So I today am in the open platform. I chose my Mrs. India pageant topic, which is a culture round, and I represented Odisha, and that's why the title which you hear is Mrs. India Odisha 2018.
Yeah.
And I took the pride of bringing out the culture, the heritage, the rich, script, and the traditional values they have, the beauty of that particular state to prove yourself that no, it's not about a state, it's not about a developing country, it's you, how you present yourself, how you battle, how you constantly go through the pain. So today I would really love to talk about that. Another part of the story, body shaming is the biggest barrier which really I had undergone, that pain of being bullied everywhere. People used to look back, see kitna khati hai, bahut khati hai ye. People used to look at my plate, even if I'm dying to reduce weight, reducing 5 kg, battling, and the weight comes back and all that. That is my own battle, but you are always accused. Being fat is very ugly, and this is what the world has defined. So, like you said rightly, your punchline, people who try to put you down, but how do you convert that as your strength? I constantly, geared up my spirit to live the pain, to accept the reality and work on it, constantly improve, renew myself, So I took the challenge to transform. That is where, and then in the whole world, I'm today able to say that, no, look, it's not that you have to define what should the size, what should the shape, and that's why I'm a print ad plus size model. I support a lot of plus size pageants. I support the pageants who, do that transgender pageantry grooming. So I'm into various kind of stuff where we really, and I'm a big follower of Vidya Balan ma'am because she talks a lot about body shaming. And if you see, I always tell that, in my motivational speech of Obesity Forum or wherever I go, carry your flags, carry your, pain points with dignity, because you're going to actually overcome your fear of failure of improving and then bringing the unique you in yourself. So that's how it depends completely on you. How do you really work on the fear of failure? How do you learn from your failure? बोलना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन जिंदगी में बहुत सारी जगह में मैंने फेलियर देखा है. I still remember I gave my first audition for acting, and then because I was bulky, I was not that slim, trim, 32 looking model, and I was rejected at my first audition. But I took my oath. What is that which is my strength? When I was acting, actually, all my old acting clips, if you see, I was grossly obese. I said, industry mein ek hi tuntun hai. Let me represent myself, whatever I am today. So all my old acting clips, if you see,
Right.
I utilize that as my strength, because you are only unique you. When I transformed, I became 50 kgs down. I then worked on my uniqueness, and then I represented as a brand, personal brand, that what Shubha is different in the crowd. So every person I trust that is different and they are unique. The moment we find out, we can show the world whatever comments comes in, whatever bullying comes in, however people want to pull you back when you are actually climbing up the success ladder.
Right.
You will always have that courage to prove that unique you, the winner in you. And I think we should accept that how to break the barrier. We should break the glass ceiling. I always admire when Priyanka Chopra speaks about breaking the glass ceiling. No one has got that fashion. Yeah, it takes guts, it takes courage, it takes a lot of inner confidence. You have to hear your inner critics. But the moment you say yes to yourself, the moment you say you are not letting yourself go down, no
Right.
one can put you down. No one can put you down. Trust me. So hear all this bullying, convert those pain into your strength, challenge yourself, be greedy, and every day try and improve and prove yourself that what you are and how unique you are. Today, the biggest proof of that bullying, that first rejection,
Right.
where I got rejected in the audition, today, touch wood, I played the lead role in an upcoming mega serial I never thought of.
Right.
I have been doing all the prime channel serials, Star TV, GTV, Colors. I went on greedy, I kept on doing stuff, but I had to sacrifice, I had to choose, I had to catch every opportunity. I dropped my corporate career. I took a break to, give time to the TV industry. And then I chose where my dream has to be adventurous. And it's
Yeah.
not easy to become a mom, to become an actor, to become, the different passions you have. But if you have a dream and you're letting it thrive, you definitely win, actually. So let your dream fly. With that note, I must thank you for asking me this question.
Awesome. And with that, I think that is the biggest punchline, even better than what I said earlier. So, with that, I would say that I am definitely at a level where I would, if somewhere down the line, if I get motivated, if I get knocked down, I have you as my inspiration now. So I'll definitely look up to you, and I'll know that I have to stand up, because if you can, anybody can. So I think we know what we need to do, guys. We have to. Our job as human beings is that we get up every time we get knocked down, because every time we get up, we get closer to becoming somebody like Subha. All right. So thank you very much, Subha, for this amazing session today. And I'm sure I'll see you next week again.